Hi, I'm Patty Dower, and this is Resource KC's 3 and 3. September is Realtor Safety Month. Of course, it's important to stay safe all year round. But September is a great time to take advantage of all the resources offered at no cost to you through KCRAR, your state association, and NAR. Consider taking a safety class. KCRAR is offering our Safety Matters CE course on September 22nd. Plus, the KCRAR podcast, Kansas City Real Talk, just released a new safety episode with the safety lady, Tracy Hodkins. And that's on top of plenty of other safety-related episodes in the archives you can go back and listen to anytime. And from NAR, you can find tons of great safety resources at nar.realtor/safety, including webinars, articles, toolkits, and more. Huge congratulations to our very own KCRAR member, Dennis Curtin, who was recently announced as an NAR Good Neighbor Award finalist. Dennis is a former KCRAR Community Service Award winner, and he is being honored at the national level for his work founding Mimi's Pantry, a nonprofit fighting food insecurity in the KC Northland. But right now, he's just a finalist, so help him secure a spot as an official 2022 NAR Good Neighbor Award winner by voting at realtor.com/goodneighbor. Coming this fall, Heartland MLS will be rolling out a brand new showing solution called BrokerBay. The super-owned showing service provides smart dashboards, intelligent listing settings, advanced property tours, modern booking dashboard, seller dashboards, and real-time analytics. Look for this new solution hitting Heartland MLS in late November. That's your September 3 and 3. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.